This 2024 Winnebago Voyage 3438RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 38 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, awning, leveling jacks, air conditioning, slide-out, water heater, external shower, oven, skylight, auxiliary battery, LP detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Voyage 3438RK is 8,856 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.